Hello students, today we will start the third unit of maths, that is multiples and factors. And first of all we will start with multiples. Do you remember the multiplication tables? Yes. You have done the tables of 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on in earlier classes. Let us write the table of 2. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10, 6 times 2 is 12, and so on. Now, here the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on are the multiples of 2. That means these numbers come in the table of 2. So we can easily write the multiples by reciting the multiplication table of the number. Suppose we have to write the multiples of 4. So what we have to do is we have to recite the multiplication table of 4. So the first multiple of 4 is 4 ones are 4. The second multiple of 4 is 4 twos are 8. The third multiple of 4 is 4 threes are 12. Fourth multiple of 4 is 4 fours are 16. Fifth multiple is 20. 4 fives are 20, and so on. Similarly, suppose if you want to find the multiples of 9. So you have to recite the multiplication table of 9. So the first multiple of 9 is 9 ones are 9. Second multiple of 9 is 9 twos are 18. Third multiple of 9 is 27. Fourth multiple is 9 fours are 36. Fifth multiple is 9 fives are 45, and so on. In this way you can find the multiples of given number. Now for this you have to learn the tables. You must learn the tables up to at least 20. Nowadays you have a lot of time because you are not going anywhere and staying back at home. So utilize this time and learn the tables by heart. Let us do some questions based on these multiples. Let us start with worksheet number 1. This is very easy. Here you have to write the next 4 multiples of the first number in each case. Here the 3 multiples are given and you have to write the next 4 multiples. And you have to write the multiples of the first number. Here the first number is 5. That means you have to recite the multiplication table of 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, and 5 sevens are 35. So in this way you can write the next 4 multiples of the first number. Next B part. Here the first number is 7 and you have to write the multiple of 7. 3 multiples of 7 are already given. You have to write the next 4. So here 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, and 7 7 is 49. So here are the multiples of 7. In this way you can write the multiples of 10, 15 and 12. Try to do these parts yourself. Now move to the next question. Complete the following. Here you have to write the fourth multiple of 5. That means you have to recite the table of 5. So fourth multiple of 5, that means you have to multiply 5 and 4. So 5 4s are 20. So the fourth multiple of 5 is 20. In B part, you have to find the fifth multiple of 3. That means you have to recite the table of 3. So you have to multiply 3 by 5. So 3 5s are 15. So the fifth multiple of 3 is 15. And in this way you can find the particular multiple of given number. Rest 3 parts you try to do it yourself. Come to the next part question. Write the multiples of 6. Now here you have to write the multiples of 6. But the condition is between 20 and 40. That means you have to write the multiples of 6 which are between 20 and 40. So start reciting the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 does not comes between 20 and 40. 6 2s are 12. 12 also does not comes between 20 and 40. 6 3 are 18. No. 6 4s are 24. So yes, 24 comes between 20 and 40. So the first multiple which comes between 20 and 40 is 6 4s are 24. Then 6 5s are 30. It also comes between these two numbers. 6 6 are 36. Yes. 6 7s are 42. No. Because it is greater than 40. It does not comes between 20 and 40. So we have these 3 multiples, 24, 30 and 36. That is multiples of 6 which comes between 20 and 40. Move to the next question. Write the multiples of 7. So here you have to write the multiples of 7. And the condition is which are less than 40. That means you have to write the multiples of 7 which are less than 40. Start reciting the table of 7. 7 1 just 7. Yes, it is less than 40. 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. No, 42 is greater than 40. And here the condition is you have to write the multiples less than 40. So these are the multiples which are of 7 which are less than 40. 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. Next question. Encircle the multiples of 11. This is a very easy question. Just recite the multiplication table of 11 and find out which one is the multiple of 11. For example, 11 ones are 11. Is there 11 here? Yes. 11 2s are 22. No, there is no 22. 11 3s are 33. 11 4 is a 44. 11 5 is a 55. Yes, there is 55. 11 6 is 66. Yes, there is 66. 11 7 is 77. There is no 77. 11 8 is 88. Here is 88. 11 9 ja 99. There is no 99, and here you can see that 97 is the largest number, and there is no need to recite further because there is no number greater than 97. So these are the multiples of 11. In this way, in next question you have to encircle the multiples of 8. So recite the multiplication table of 8 and find out the multiples of 8 in these numbers. So now we will learn something more about the multiples. Now here we know that 2 into 3 is equal to 6. That means 6 comes in the table of 2, and you also know that 3 2s are 6 also. So it also comes in the table of 3. So here multiples of 2 are written: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. You can write the multiples of 2. Then multiples of 3, 3 3 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 3 5 15 and so on. You can fill these blanks. Now here 6 is the product of 2 and 3. That means the product of 2 and 3 is 6. And 6 is one of the multiple of 2 and 3. So here you can see 6 is a multiple of 2 and also 6 is a multiple of 3. That means 6 is a multiple of both 2 and 3. Here, in next example, 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. That means the product of 2, 3 and 5 is 30. So here, the multiples of 2 are written: 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. And then 24, 26, 28, 30. And here the multiples of 3 is given, that is, and the multiples of 5 are given. Now you can observe and see here that 30 is the product of these three numbers, and 30 is also the multiple of 2, multiple of 3 and multiple of 5, all the three numbers. So we conclude that whenever we multiply the numbers, the product will be the multiple of all the numbers which we have multiplied. Here we have multiplied 2, 3 and 5 and we get the answer 30. 30 is a multiple of 5, 3 as well as 2. That means all the numbers which we have multiplied, the answer, that is the product, will be the multiple of all the numbers which we have multiplied. Now we also know that the first multiple of 2 is 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 is the multiple of 2. Then first multiple of 3 is 3 ones are 3. First multiple of 10 is 10 ones are 10. And first multiple of 15 is 15 ones are 15. That means every number is a multiple of itself. Here as 2 is a multiple of 2, 3 is a multiple of 3, 10 is a multiple of 10, 15 is a multiple of 15. That means every number is a multiple of itself. मतलब वो हर एक नंबर अपना ही मल्टीपल भी होगा, जरूर होगा. Third is, whenever we multiply any number by 1, we get the number itself. For example, look at here. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 20s are 20, and 1 35s are 35. Now, what do you observe here? that whenever we multiply any number by 1, we will get the same number. So we conclude that every number is a multiple of 1. That means every number comes in the table of 1. So here are the 3 things that we have learned. First, that whenever we multiply any numbers, the product will be the multiple of every number which we have multiplied. Second thing, that every number is a multiple of itself. And third thing, that every number is a multiple of 1. So based on this, we have worksheet number 2, which we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.